Very important in this movement, and to bring back a teaching and an understanding to humanity to understand their relationship. My relatives. So how is it that we're related? How is it that this Sunday at a sunrise ceremony for water of life to be held here, that we are related to the water and have a word called Wichoni, life? How is it that this terminology and language of indigenous peoples worldwide is now becoming important understanding as the world is trying to figure out its future on addressing many issues that create an out of balance, a disharmony of Mother Earth and Father Sky. I don't have faith in humanity that doesn't make a commitment, that does not open up their minds, whether they're a nation state leader, an elected governmental leader, a church leader, labor movement, youth movement, women movements. How do we open up the minds of our people to reevaluate their relationship to Mother Earth, to Mother Earth's nature, the elements of Mother Earth is the nature. That's why I heard the testimonies today of the people that come from their home to tell a story that's very precious, to tell our story, to be liberated enough from the chains of oppression, yes, and we are fighting oppression, colonialism, imperialism, militarization. So as indigenous people, I always think, how is it that we can play a role in this movement as indigenous peoples? But I know that there are local communities that may not be indigenous, but they have somewhat teachings as well on their relationship to their land and water that may have come from long ago of indigenous bloodline. So I say this because when we are born, I can say my grandmother and my aunties took care of my umbilical cord. They took care of my cord. That went back to the earth. It was a ceremony. They know that part of me as a baby that went back. When my mom passed the water, it was a sign that I was coming into this world. That's part of our genesis. That's part of our traditional knowledge. Many indigenous people, the Khoisan people who I met in South Africa, have the same belief. And that defines our relationship of our mother through our mother and to the Mother Earth and to the Grandmother Earth. That relationship, how did it get severed in some populations of the world? How did we come back to those old ways? Uchimaka, Wichoni-maku. Uchimaka, Grandmother Earth, Wichoni-maku, life. Something like that has a lot of teaching of what we are doing, the rights of nature, to understand the break away from the capture of the sacredness of Mother Earth and nature. It's a process. Let's do that. Let's incorporate that into this movement. We need to do that so that we can come together in peace and love for Mother Earth. It's important. Thank you.